What's up everyone? Today I am going to show you how to replace the cooler. This thing sounds like a jet engine when I turn it on. Also, I'll need it for something else, so I will need to remove this anyway and install the stock cooler. There's the thing. This has pre-applied thermal paste. I'm going to show you that. And also thermal paste is required. Some people think, it's okay, I don't need it. But it's sort of required. So it has pre-applied thermal paste. But even if it doesn't, just put a rice grain size drop on the CPU. And now, first of all, you have to remove the case. Remove the side panel. Don't remove the whole case. Like this. Yours might be a bit different. The screws might be on the back. Where should I put this? It's glass. I'll put it here. Perfect. Now you'll want to remove this, which is the cooler. Because, well, yeah. Alright, there we go. This thing has a very weird way of being installed. There it is, removed. Since I'm keeping this, I want to clean off the thermal paste. It looks disgusting now. And of course, you'll need to clean off the thermal paste on the CPU. I think Arctic put a bit too much thermal paste. And that, you'll need a alcohol prep pad, like the ones they use before you get, a flu shot. Clean that off. Make sure not to get any thermal paste under the CPU. I'll clean that off. You see that? There we go. We'll cut now. I'll be done cleaning it up off camera. Alright, now that I've cleaned off all the thermal paste, I'm going to wipe the CPU down to dry it off with a paper towel. Alright, now I had to remove it so I can install clean it off. But there it is. Now it's time to install the new one, new CPU cooler. In this case, well, the stock one. Now to do that, there are two hooks, you see there? 1 and 2. You'll want to have the first one, not the one with the plastic tab on it, on the one here, right there. Now, here. There it is. But we're not done. You'll want this one to go around the other tab. There it is. Now, remember this black plastic tab? You'll want to twist it the other way. But don't break the cooler. There it is. Now, kind of give it a bit of a wiggle, just to make it snug and in place. Yep, I just checked. It is mounted properly. So there you go. That is how you install it. But we're not done yet. We are not done. Remember this cord hanging off? You remove the old cord already that connects to the CPU fan header. You'll want to plug in the new one so that this fan will spin and, well, keep it cool. Alright, there we go. It is, I should say, properly mounted. Yeah. Okay, there it is. That's how to install a CPU cooler, and yeah, this thing sounds like a jet engine. Okay, maybe not that, but it's just loud. That's 60 millimeters, right? Actually, I want to check. Just want to make sure that is 60 millimeters, so I have my ruler here. Oh, that's weird. Is it? I think it's from one screw hole to the other screw hole, actually. Yeah, 60 millimeters. So yeah, that is a 60 millimeter fan on this computer. So that is how you install a new CPU fan. And just making sure that is, can't be too sure. There it is. So I tell you to install it this way because it's just easier to remove when you do have to upgrade the cooler. I say install the lever on this side. So there you go, that is how you install a CPU cooler on an AM4 motherboard. I think this applies with other AMD motherboards as well. But yeah, yeah, that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember to hit that subscribe button, which is over there, and also the like button, which should be over there. Yeah, see you next time. One more thing, don't forget to close the case up because, yeah, why not? You gotta put the side panel right back on. All right, that's it.